All right, we're ready for your assignment on server management. For this assignment, you'll be working with Joe Tidyman, the owner of Sloppy Joe's Restaurant. Joe's reached out because he's wondering if his database might be stuck or out of sync. He's heard from another business owner that this can sometimes happen, and he would like you to check the status of the server and restart it for him. So for the purposes of this assignment, pretend the server on your machine is the server in question. Check the status of the server. If it's stopped, start it. If it's already running, stop it and then start it again. And note that depending on the settings of your machine, you might need to enter both the root password and possibly your system password, so the solution may look a little different for you than it will for me. Per usual, I'd encourage you to try and work through this on your own and then come back and watch the solution video. Good luck.